So let's talk a little bit about navigating your phone using the Hable One. Well, the great thing about this is you can use an earpiece, have the phone in your pocket and never take it out if you want. You can even unlock your phone using the Hable One. Let's do that now. I'll turn on the Hable One. It vibrates 3 times. The third vibration is important because that tells me that the phone has connected, that the Hable One has connected rather to my phone. So now let me unlock my phone and I'll press the button, the H button, dots 1, 2 and 5 to unlock my phone. And I'm now asked to enter my passcode. And my phone is now unlocked. I can now navigate through the icons on my home screen. Social networking apps folder, calendar, media apps folder. Or I can jump to the dock, the very bottom of my phone.
Dock, messages, mail, 6 unread emails, music, WhatsApp.
If I want to open the WhatsApp application, for example, I will press buttons 7 and 8 together, which is the equivalent of doing a double tap.
WhatsApp, edit, button.
If you'd like to know more about the Hable One device, or you'd like to get your hands on the device, then give us a call in Northampton on 01604 798 070 or visit us on the web at www.sightandsound.co.uk.